y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, you know, whatever. So I showed y'all how I do my soft locks. This was actually my first time doing soft locks. They came out so good, like so good. These are 36 inches. The link to the hair will be down below, the hair that I use. XTREND actually sent me this hair. It's really affordable. They are new locks. They only $40 for a pack of 6. I got mine in 1B. As you can see, my roots aren't 1B at all, but that's okay. I tried to dye it, but it didn't work out. Yeah, they are so cute. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, it's gonna be a pinned comment in the comment sections of the length of my hair, how many packs it was, the color, how long it took, how many braids I have, all that. I mean, how many, like, it'll be down below. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself, but it'll be down below. I look good. I do. Like, I like these. These cute. Yeah, but somebody on my window. Okay, but they are 36 inches. They are 18 inches. I showed y'all how I extend them. They still popping fireworks. Oh my fucking God. I showed you how I extend them. They're pretty relatively easy. They really are. Hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. What are you doing? Follow me on my Instagram right here and my Snapchat. Follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat because I'm always on those. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay, y'all, so I did some of them already. I'm gonna show you how long they are, like full picture view in a minute. But first, where's the bag? Okay, so XTREND, I hope y'all can see it. XTREND, that's their website. They are XTREND here on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and I don't know what that app is right there. I don't use that. But yeah, I got this hair off Amazon. They sent it to me, but they are sellers on Amazon. Okay, so they sent me over these. It's 6 packs of new locks. Now, y'all, I know that most people use the Babbiiesssss new locks, but new locks is new locks. Okay. You don't necessarily need the Babbiiesssss new locks. They sent me over 6 packs. They're 18 inches, but I extended them, so they're now 36 inches. You can get them in, I don't know what color. Oh, this is technically the color I needed. I needed a 30 because my hair, I dyed my hair like a burgundy color. And then I tried to dye my hair black on top of that, but it didn't even work because it's still like red, brown, whatever. So the 6 packs of new Locs, I got the 1B, 18 inches, $40. Pretty much, it's very affordable. But yeah, that's what they sent me. Y'all how to extend them first, because I'm gonna let y'all know now, if you're gonna be doing these, I recommend you extend the Locs first. These are all the ones that I did already. Ah, my toes. So this is how they come. What you're gonna do is one side has the loop. I'm trying to make this as detailed as I can. One side of the crochet has the loop where you put the crochet needle through, and then the other side is just like curled. So you're gonna take 2 of the new Locs. One of them, this is the one I'm gonna take. I'm just gonna unravel the end of it, not the end with the loop, but the other end. So I'm just gonna unravel this. I hope this, just gonna unravel this end. Not all the way, you just need it to be unraveled a little bit. Some people like to use a comb. I just comb it out. I didn't use a comb for none of those, the other ones. So you're just gonna unravel that, just like so. Have 2 like that. With the other Loc, you're just gonna take the side with the loop, the hole, and you're just gonna find it. Okay. You're gonna find the hole. I can't. I just keep saying it. Okay, there we go. So one you got like this, and the other one you have like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, you're gonna place one side, that's why we got it split into 2, like this. You're gonna take one side and you're just gonna put it through like that. Once, ooh, one side is through, the other side is out. All you're gonna do is knot this twice. You can knot it as many times as you want. I just like to knot it twice. Knot it twice. That's 1. Make sure it's secure. And do it again. Make sure to knot it tight because they can come apart. So make sure to knot it. I'm gonna do it one more time because I don't know why this one's still kind of loose. So now you should have this. With these 2 ends, let me just twist that. You can twist this back around a little bit because I know it did unravel a little bit. But with these 2 ends, you're just gonna twist one going up. Like that. Then you're gonna twist the other one going down. So twist it going down. And there you go. And got your Loc, your long ass Loc. I'm trying to put y'all on game so y'all can stop going to these beauticians who, 1, don't even know how to do hair, and 2, be overtaxing. Okay, so now I'm gonna start putting them in my hair. Don't mind my roots. Let me bring my thing up a little bit. Okay, so when it comes to like the crocheting part, all you're gonna do is, again, find a hole. Find the hole, open it. There's no better way I can say that, I'm sorry. Open it. I like to keep this one, I just like to keep it up, like let it rest on my finger. Then you're gonna take the braid. I'm not gonna do that because y'all can't even see that. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna take the crochet needle, put it through. Now you're gonna take the hair, loop it on, and then pull it through. Now it's time to knot it right? So you have it like this. This is how you have it right now. Now you're gonna take the loop, take the new lock in your braid. I like to have my braid underneath the new lock. So it's like this, and then just loop both of them through the hole. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Then you're just gonna pull it. Pull it. So now I'm just gonna take my leftover not spring twist. What kind of hair is this? My leftover passion twist hair. And yeah. I'm just gonna curl. This is what's gonna hide my hair. My braid, okay. And now, all you gotta do is twist. Wrap around. And there you go. There's a lock for you. It look good. Like, I really like these. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with like a quarter of my head. What the fuck? I'm done with like this quarter of my head. I don't know if I should do the back side and then come to this side, or just finish this side. I want to see how it look when it's up. But yeah, I had to sit down, child. It's hot. That's not even hot wine, but I'm tired.